Mamaya
Press,
na lang
kuha na
siguro
tayo.
pag ano.
Send,
O,
kuha
pwede
mo na,
na.
inform mo na
Ay,
press
may
si Nard.
quorum na pala. May
Oo.
quorum na pala eh.
Inform mo na si Nard press para makapag-join siya. Kailan ang last meeting natin? Matagal-tagal na rin, ano? NBOP meeting. So, mukhang 3 buwan na nakalipas.
Si tawag dito. Si BP Roland, sabi ko buksan na lang yung cellphone. Parang makadagdag lang doon sa present na forum. Actually, nandiyan na si Chairman Edwin sa chat natin. Baka sakali sumali si BP Tinards. Maganda, marami-rami tayo. Kaya na lang natin yung dalawa, baka may chance na sumali. So, otherwise, umpisa na natin.
Uh,
Wala ka namang messenger NF Ronel. Paano ko ma-send sa'yo?
dito sa chat dito, Sec. Dito
Ah,
mismo sa
dito na
baba.
mismo.
At ikaw ng chat sa baba.
Yan yung ano. Yan yung username sa Zoom account. Ito yung password.
International at Gmail. Password. Tipo.
Password yan. Yan yung para sa Zoom account.
Ah,
Yan
Kumakon
yung
niya ito.
binigay ko kay Jen. Tapos, nag-reply siya sa akin. Nagkamali siya. Sabi niya, invalid password. Tapos, 2 times pa siya nagkamali. Kaya natatlohan eh. Pagka 3 strike, nababan eh. So, mga dalawang mali lang, pahinga muna.
Mahirap nga pala itong password protect.
Kasi sinimplihan ko lang password, ayaw tanggapin. Gusto ng Zoom mayroong special character. Gusto may alphabet, gusto may numeric. Kaya inano ko lahat.
Ganun na ba ngayon? Ganun na pala. Kasi nakaraan
Yun,
yung email yung ating pa dati, yung unang-una, yung
simple lang.
ating Zoom, yan, ganito, peoplenational@gmail.com. Password doon, patay sunog lang eh, tinanggap eh.
Ngayon di pwedeng walang number. Kailangan may special character. Nakalagay dun sa ano eh.
Oh, sige.
Sana lang, sana lang.
Tapos, Enepironel. Yung dalawang O dyan, zero yan. Baka dyan siya nagkamali. Sa halip na O, zero yan. Number zero. Baka dyan siya nagkamali. Baka kala niya capital O. Zero yung ano na yan. So yung mga mali niya dyan pag-enter, nagduda yung ano system. Baka hinahak. Kaya siya inano, binan. Yan ang palagay kong nangyari. Hindi ko naman sure.
Baka maka-join si, ano pala si ano eh, si BPT Nards eh. Good evening, BPT Nards, Cornelio. BPT Nards. Okay.
Okay, partner, good evening. Pasensya na hindi ako mag-open ng camera ha, at nakadata na ako.
Okay lang, okay lang. Basta importante, nandyan yung pangalan mo dahil para makakorop tayo. Sige.
Ayan, nakita nyo siguro, nasa kalsada pa.
Oo nga, mukhang mainit sa mainit yan. Pawis ka.
Sa kalsada.
Sige,
Kaya-
partner.
Nagkatrabaho mo, partner, katrabaho.
Oo nga, gabi na. Sige, BPT.
Sige, okay.
Okay. So, pwede na tayo mag-start siguro. Pironel. Ano ba? Okay, good evening sa inyong lahat. Basically, alam niyo naman siguro ang purpose ng ating meeting. It's more of most important kasi yung induction ng ating incoming Secretary National. Si Doc Paul kasi marami ng masyadong na-perform na functions as secretary pero formalize na natin. We are limited to an online ceremony kasi for various reasons. Number one kasi yung proximity, no? Pagka mahirap tayong mag-arrange ng ano muna ngayon because busy rin tayo sa ating NatPon, no? So thank you very much sa mga umattend sa meeting na to, particularly si Sir Jim Reyes who's also alam naman natin nasa ibang bansa. We appreciate very much nakasama kayo. So maybe we can already start the yung induction ng actually ang walang particular agenda na i-prepare pero you may siguro suggest, ako nasa isip ko lang is actually yung ma-resolve yung yung Zoom account. Tapos yun kasi palagi natin problema. Tapos siguro pwede na natin pag-usapan yung partially. Pironel, pwede siguro pasadaan ng konti yung awards natin, di ba?
Yes. Ikaw muna, press. I-call to order mo na muna.
Oo, actually, isasama natin yun doon sa agenda ngayon kasi medyo mahaba-haba yun. Baka pwede kayong mag-pitch in doon sa mga recommendations ninyo. Pero sa ngayon kasi meron na akong mga idea. For your information kasi, nilabas na ni Pironel yung kanyang Anyway, bago
Press.
pumunta doon sa Yes, sir.
I-call to order mo muna yung meeting.
Okay. Unahin muna natin siguro yung induction ni
Press, mag-call to order ka muna.
Ano, sir?
I-call to order mo muna yung meeting. Para
Okay. Okay, can you Can you, Sec, can you declare the quorum? How many attendees?
Okay, so as we know, we only have 12 BOTs right now, so the quorum is supposed to be 7. We are 8 right now, so the quorum is here. No? So, meron po tayong quorum.
Thank you, Sec. Now with the time at 8:20 p.m., I declare the meet open. First, maybe we can start off yung talagang purpose ng meeting, which is actually to induct our National Secretary, Dr. Santua, since he already assumed the position and it's already performing in fact, no? So, Doc, siguro just for the other board members, can you di pa pwede tumayo. Anyway, just pay attention kasi online tayo. And as on oath of office, Sec, Doc Paul Santua, just repeat after me.
Press.
Yes, sir.
May I request everybody to open their video during the
Yeah,
oath
by the
taking
way,
of our officers. Except
thank
yung
you.
mga hindi available talaga.
Thank you, thank you, NFP. That's part of the solemnity of the okay, thank you very much, Sarnoy. Si BP Tinard, excuse muna natin, may ginagawa eh. Sir Art Murillo, okay, bukas lang yung camera habang sumusumpa si Sec Doc.
Hindi naman ako magbukas ng camera, kaso lang makikita nyo truck.
Okay lang yan, BPT. Okay lang, BPT.
Direct Art, can you open your camera, please? Direct Art Murillo. Direct Art. Baka nasa bukid
Baka may hearing.
Direct Art Murillo, attention please. Pakibukas na yung camera. Anyway, sige, tuloy na natin ang NFP. No.
Yeah.
Siya na lang naman na hindi bukas ang camera. Anyway, okay, so for the solemnity of this ceremony, let's start off. I would like the inductee to repeat after me for his oath of office. Okay, Secdoc, repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Apollo Pablo Santua,
After having been elected to the position
after having been elected to the position
of
National Secretary
of the Philippine Integrated Fire Protection Organization,
of the Philippine Integrated Fire Protection Organization,
National Office, for the year 2023 to 2024,
for the year
2024 to 2025,
for the year 2024 to 2025,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I faithfully do and discharge to the best of my ability
faithfully do and discharge to the best of my ability
all the duties and obligations incumbent upon this office.
all the duties and obligations incumbent upon this office.
That I will uphold the professional standing, honor and dignity of the Philippine Integrated Fire Protection Organization,
of the Philippine Integrated Fire Protection Organization,
at all times in words and in deeds,
at all times in words and in deeds,
that I
that I
will defend and shall be governed
will defend and shall be governed
by the Constitution and bylaws
by the Constitution and bylaws
and by the policies and procedures
and by the policies and procedures
duly promulgated and established
duly promulgated and established
by the organization,
by the organization,
that I
that I
will work diligently and faithfully
work diligently and faithfully
for the advancement and betterment
for the advancement and betterment
of the organization
of the organization
and its members.
and its members,
That I will do
that I will do
my duty towards God,
my duty towards God,
my country,
my country,
and my fellow men.
and my fellow men.
And lastly,
And lastly,
that I impose upon myself
that I impose upon myself
the aforementioned duties and obligations
the aforementioned duties and obligations
voluntarily and without reservation
voluntarily and without reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
I make this oath,
I make this oath,
so help me God.
so help me God.
Congratulations sa Sec Doc Paul Santua. Palakpak naman kayo dyan. Okay, you're ready to perform? Actually, nag-perform ka na. So, thank you very much about that. Sir
Acceptance speech. Acceptance speech.
Sir Noy, may sasabihin ka, Sir Noy? Sir Noy, nakataas ka
Hindi,
mo.
nag-clap ako eh. Nag-clap ako.
Pala ko may tatanong ka.
Clap ba yun?
Anyway.
Clap yun.
It's
Clap,
nice
clap.
speech.
Baka, can you speak a few words sa Sec, acceptance speech? Baka mamaya, sumumpa ka nga, pero hindi pa tayo formalize. Baka may gusto ko sabihin sa beloved and BOT ng people.
Okay, thank you for this honorable honor, for this honor to be with the people, national officers, particularly in this position as National Secretary. So, my only message in mind is we have to stay with people no matter what. So, and always, as we experienced in the past, we have to clarify immediately any points. Do not leave any hanging points. We need immediate clarity so that we will not make the small misunderstanding big. So, tayo rin naman magkikita palagi. Ibig sabihin, sana huwag tayong bibitaw. So, ibig sabihin, ako ay maasahan nyo na ganun ang aking pananaw. So maski anong mangyari, marami na kasi tayong naisakripisyo sa organization, dami ng pagod at tiyaga. So sayang naman kung walang mangyayari. So yun lang mga fellow national officers at mga pinagpipitaganan kong mga haligi ng people. Thank you.
Thank you, Sec. That's a good one. Actually, tama yung sinabi mo. I was about to Second, yung sinabi mo na about walang iwanan, ika nga, no? So, talagang kailangan kasi, tsaka isa pa, sabi ko nga sa'yo before na tayong dalawa lang magkausap. So, secretary actually is a very taxing position, no? So, it requires yung oras mo talaga, tapos of course, yung sabi ko nga, parang little president ka. That time na maging national secretary ako ni NAP Ronel, pagka you have to be on his beck and call, yung president. So, yun ang talagang ano. So, ito yung magandang pinost na ni, para, para siguro ipaalala. Pero anyway, bago ko basahin yan, sundan ko na rin yung sinabi mo about yung, pagka wag natin pababayaan mag-drift on yung, yung mga indifferences, no? Yung tampo, whatever the term you want to use it. Kasi nakakasira ng organization yan, eh. So, parang asawa din yan, eh. Kailangan pag may problema kayo, bago kayo matulog, mag-usap muna kayo para kinabukasan, wala kayo problema. Ganun lang yun, eh. Nag-aaway kayo ng gabi, huwag mong palilipasin kasi lalaki lang yun, no? Ganun din tayo sa organization. So, dapat kung meron tampo, sabihin mo na, huwag mo na sabihin sa ibang kasama. Sa yun mismong tao mo sabihin, no? There's something you didn't like, pag-usapan na lang yun. Kesa patagalin, di ba? Hanggang sa naging sama na ng loob. Yun lang. Anyway, tuloy tayo dito sa section 5.5.1, no? Pinapaalala ni NFP Ronel. Si NFP Ronel kasi ang parang pinakadalubhasa na natin yun sa MOP. So, yung ating rules and regulations sa ating organization, no? Kasi with absence of IPP Alex, na ang medyo kumabisado na nito. Let's go over yung sa function mo, Sec, no? So, letter A, making sure meetings are organized and minuted efficiently. So far, you're doing good naman dito, no? Pero sa susunod kasi dapat ikaw na ang magtawag ng meeting upon my request para ikaw na rin na mag-arrange ng communication sa mga attendees gaya ng ginagawa ko dati na iniisa-isa kong tawagan talaga, no, para umattend. Act as website administrator. Actually, ito talagang secretarial job, or meron ka naman secretariat. Talagang pinangarap talaga yan, kaya tayo nag-pundar ng website para gamitin natin yan, no? Letter C, maintaining administration, records, and governance requirements. Isa sa mga function kasi dito, nung ako humawak kasi na kasama pati yung mga BIR obligations, and as well as yung mga yung mga pagkuha ng SEC, yung mga dokumento ng annual natin, operation requirements, no? Then letter D, upholding the legal and regulatory requirements of the organization by submitting government reports in a timely manner. Actually, yung submission ng government reports, it depends on what will be required of, no? Pero naman tayo, non-profit, non-stock organization tayo. Siguro pagka meron tayong engagement sa mga government agencies, that will only be the time that you will be working hand in hand sa BP for external, actually, no? BP for external operations. Letter E, records and communication correspondences, very important, no? So, alam ko, doktor ka. Sabi ko nga, pag pandemic, huwag gagamitin yung pagiging doktor, if you remember my joke noong araw, no? Kasi pagka ginamit mo yung doktor ng pandemic, baka matawag ka sa ospital. Hindi ganun. Anyway, so keeping records of communication and correspondences is another important function ng secretary. Kasi sabi ko nga, kaya tinawag na secretary, secret, no? So yung mga records na yan should be on your possession. Letter F, active correspondences and records not pertaining to the office of the treasurer. Very seldom naman natin na ginagawa ito, no? Pero kung halimbawa lang naman na may communication, no? Internal lang naman lagi natin ang ano kung ang interaction natin sa treasurer. So parang gano'n na rin ang gagawin, no? Issuance of notices for meetings, yun na, banggit ko na nga kanina. Preparation of order of business thereof and preparation of the minutes of the meeting. Letter H, preparation of activity reports. Well, ito siguro, upon my ano rin yan, upon my directive na yan, kung halimbawa meron tayong certain activity o CSR, no? Yun na medyo nawala tayo for the past a year and a half, wala tayong naging CSR. Maaaring pwede nating i-revive yan. Letter I, maintenance ng PIPO archive and historical facts. Pwede ko siguro i-share sa iyo yung mga nag-gather ko magmula pa nung nag-umpisa nung ang PIPO noong September 2, 2017 para more or less in-depth sa iyo kung anong kasi baka mamaya hingan ka namin ng ano ng write-up or gaya ng gagawin ko ngayon para sa NatCon didig up ko talaga yung nangyari para isama natin doon sa teaser, no? Letter J, perform other duties as may be required or assigned by the Board of Trustees. Alam mo, itong position, itong function na to, natatawa rin ako dyan kahit sa employment, makikita mo yan, di ba? Yung kaya lang, kailangan dapat define din. Kasi minsan sumusobra yan. Sabi, kahit sa trabaho, secretary, di ba? Perform such other duties. Kasama na siguro doon yung pamamasahihin mo yung boss mo, di ba? O kaya pagtitimpla mo ng kape. Hindi naman gano'n, no? So, other duties meaning siguro pagka assigned to you at random, no? Section 5.5.2, sir. Sir, okay. So, the secretary shall closely coordinate with the following standing committees. Membership, no? Ito hindi ko I must admit, hindi ko masyadong na-perform when I was the secretary. Pero with the current presence of our membership chairman na nandyan ngayon, si Arcino, you can work in tandem with him pagdating dyan sa membership status, no? Kasi yan talaga ang medyo napabayaan natin, no? So, alam naman natin yan, ang members ang bumubuhay sa organization. So, pagka yan nawalan ng gana o in fact, naging inactive, may problema tayo. So, what I want to do is revive natin yan, no? With your help, na nag-usap naman tayo, tsaka si Sir Noy, no? I-update natin yan, no? Kung ano yung kailangan ng mga chapter members. Yun na kasi buhay natin, eh. Letter B, Administration and Secretariat Committee for the timely communication with members and officers of regular meetings and dissemination of organization newsworthy of members' information. Since nandun ka na sa chapter president's GC, that's a very important function mo doon. Kasi ang interaction mo na talaga dyan, yung chapter presidents, tsaka yung kanilang sekretarya. Particularly sa mga probably yung mga issues or concerns nila, no? Letter C, Training and Professional Development Committee for the release of training and seminar schedule in PIPO Trimedia outlets. You can work in tandem with our chairman for training and development, si N.P. Ronel Baez, about this letter C. So that's it, kukonti. Pero kung titignan mo dyan, expanded lahat yung mga numbers na yan. So more or less, alam mo na siguro, Sec, kung ano ang expectation sa'yo. May I hear kung nagko-concur ka ba o confirm ka ba o Sec, are you okay?
Yes, I concur with the provision stated on section 5.5.1 and 5.5.2 as read by National President.
Thank you very much. Actually, tapos na tayo doon, N.P. Ronel, so maybe we can move on to sa ating isang topic which is actually yung awards na prepare din ni Chairman, no? Share ko lang yung screen. Hindi ko pa naayos to eh. Pinapi-paste ko lang kanina yung sinabi niya. So, tingnan natin na.
Ano ba si-share natin, Press?
Ano, sir?
Anong i-share mo? Anong i-share?
Ano nga, sir, Rebe?
Hindi, mag-share ka ng sir, anong file, sir? Baka may...
Hindi. Magsashare ako. Actually, pakita ko lang
Okay,
yung
okay.
ating ano.
Okay.
Yan. So, ito yung sinulat ni NFP Ronel. Yung most outstanding chapter. And then we have our most outstanding committee chairman, chapter and national level. Ang ano ko dito actually is dineseminate na nga pala ni NFP Ronel to doon sa mga napadala mo na ba to, Sir Ronel?
Di pa.
Sa president?
Kasi si
Okay.
Jen Montubing dapat ang email niyan eh. Eh, wala si Jen Montubing yan. Tinatawagan ko, wala eh.
Oo nga eh. Anyway, hindi ko pa na-enumerate. No? Pero ito yung what NFP Ronel is recommending. Basically, siguro ito pareho lang nung last year, di ba? The last NatCon sir, di ba?
Yes, almost the same. But this time kasi,
Okay.
ang pagkakaiba lang ngayon, nakaraan kasi tayo ang namili, tayo nag-recommend. Pero this time, kailangan nila mag-submit ng write-ups kung sino ang nominee nila, then i-evaluate natin sa national. Yun ang pagkakaiba ngayon.
Kailangan ng write-up. Kasi hindi naman
Yes.
dati kasi nag-nominate lang yata sila dati, di ba?
Dati tayo na lang pumili eh. Tayo na lang designate. O, best chapter ito, best chapter president ito. This time, iba na. Kailangan nila mag-submit ng write-ups. Kasi di naman lahat ng ginagawa ng chapter, alam natin eh.
Oo. Hindi lang, inaayos ko lang ha. So nakikita niyo ba? Actually, hinimay ko muna kasi nga kanina medyo halo-halo. So slightly similar. Probably yung last NatCon na awardees, nakita na naman to. Okay, so most outstanding chapter, of course, kasama yan. No? I will be showing you a table na pinrepare din ni NFP Ronel about yung criteria, no? Tapos meron din tayong most outstanding chapter president, no? And then most outstanding committee chairman, chapter and national level. Dalawa, no? Pinaghiwalay natin chapter and national level. And then fourth is yung most outstanding chapter project. We need to get this from them kasi I'm sure hindi masyadong no. May mga chapters of course na nakagawa ng certain projects for the past year and a half. Number 5, best chapter in membership growth. Yung lumaking chapter talaga, no? And then 6 is award for fire and life safety practice. Number 7 is award for... Yes, sir.
Hindi, actually, awards for fire and safety professionals yan. Na-update ko na yan.
Fire and life safety, ano ito? Ano to? Ano?
Professional.
Professional. Practitioner?
Pwede rin ako, practitioner.
O practitioner. Okay. So that's number 6. Number 7, yung award para sa government service. Yung government service basically, ano rin yan eh. I would I would classify that dun sa interaction sa BFP, so or any
Ah,
interaction with other government
yeah,
agencies, no?
sa awards for government actually, pag walang mabigay yung chapter, tayo na magde-designate yan. So, since na fire protection tayo, it should become from the BFP as well.
No, anyway, okay, so meron tayo yung number 8. So that's actually awards for Agham at Sining, no? Academy and Research and Development. Uh, we need to also talk about certain chapters na active sa mga schools, no? Or actually kasama sa mga naging, sir.
May papakita lang ako about sa research and innovation ba yan? May kwan kasi, may ginawa ako, although pinresent, na-present na, na-inform ko na yung Cavite. I have assisted kasi kwan one school, which is the Dasma, Lasal Dasma, no? Sabi ko sa kwan, sabi ko sa Cavite, kontakin nila kasi maganda yung innovation nila eh. Pwede ko pakita yung video. Wait so anyway, sige, na-forward ko na naman to sa Cavite. Maganda yung innovation nila doon, ginawa nilang project eh. About pamatay sunog.
Magsishare ka?
Hindi
Magsishare
na
ka
sir.
ba? Hindi.
Hindi na.
Ah, okay. So, again, punta tayo sa number 8. Of course, ito para sa mga educational institution. And of course, we've been targeting that for the past 3 years. Nag-a-ambition tayo magkaroon ng curriculum, no, sa school about fire protection. And then
Okay.
number 9, yung outstanding award for the following categories. Of course, dito manggagaling na sa mga chapters yan. Contracting, education, service to community and country, entrepreneurship, management, manufacturing, consultancy, and lastly, research, innovation, and invention. Gaya na banggit nga ni NFP kanina, yung item H actually, no? Meron na yatang naging start si Cavite. But then again, itong mga items na to, from A to H, sa chapter manggagaling yan, and then we'll be the one to deliberate. Pag nag-recommend ba sila dito, NFP, bawa certain person for contracting sa outstanding award, hindi na natin yun, di ba? Sila nag-recommend, di ba?
No,
Or are we going to deliver?
may doon
Magdi-deliberate pa tayo.
hindi doon sa ating kwan, doon sa ating 'di ba, sasabit sila ng write-ups. Doon sa ating criteria kasi may weighted percentage yun eh. Tingnan natin totalin natin kung sino
Oo.
pinakamataas.
Oo nga pala. Oo. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung criteria in passing lang. Masyado mahaba kasi yun. Anyway, so yung outgoing national president will be awarded the following, of course, traditional na to, yung mga natapos as president. He will receive a fellow award, a leadership award, and a service award, no? So basically, that will be immediate past president Alex Tristana. So all outgoing NBOTs will be given the plaque for service award, no? So yung mga aalis, no, na NBOT, basically yan, alam naman natin na for one kung sino-sino yun, no? They will be getting plaque for service award. And then the outgoing NBOTs like NCP Paul, of course, yung ating si chairman sa training, which is actually NFP Ronel. And then Gilbert Thomas na nagsabi na rin na he will be stepping out by the end of the year. Then Dan Cabrera, although matagal ko nang pinipigilan to, pero I think hindi ko na pipigilan this time, will be leaving by the end of the year. And then Tres Rapanes, kanina nakausap na nga ni NFP Ronel sa chat group, obviously, he'll be leaving by the end of his term. And then alam na naman natin si Sir Jim Reyes. Has expressed also his concern about stepping down kasi nga meron siyang there are issues. I mean, there are concerns about the formation of the chapter in the Middle East. Ano ibig sabihin ng re-electionist NFP? Pati si Sir Noy?
Kasi kwan sila dalawang term dapat ang NBOT. Same with Doc Paul sana kasi Doc Paul na elect as secretary, so siya ay kwan na successors na kaya hindi na siya kasama diyan. So they can still allowed to run on the next election, on the coming election rather. Si Jim, Sir Jim Reyes, good evening, sir.
NEP, good
Yeah.
evening, sir.
Actually, sir, re-electionist ka ngayon, then sabi mo hindi ka tatakbo because of your plan to be a president ng Middle East or First International Chapter, sir, di ba?
That is correct, NEP Ronel.
But you can also be as NBOT at the same time a chapter president, sir, if you wish.
Baka mabigat, NEP Ronel, baka hindi ko magampanan. Unahin ko muna, i-prove ko muna na ma-form na muna natin. And then after that, baka po pwedeng, tingnan natin, i-prove ko muna this year na mabuo na natin.
Sige, sir. But I'm saying pwede ka
yun muna.
But I'm saying is that pwede ka maging NBOT at the same time a chapter president.
Thank you very much for that, NEP Ronel. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wala naman kayo pinagbabawal sa ganun eh. Actually, you are more than welcome kasi with the incoming board na sana nga, sabi ko, maging dynamic. No? As dynamic as the one we had nung, of course, yung formative years ng people. Malaki maitutulong mo sir doon Sir Jim kahit na, no? So, you're always welcome. No? Of course, si Sir Noy talagang, pananatili yan. Matanggap pa nga ng other.
Kakampanya natin yan si Sir Noy, of course. Dapat NBOT should campaign for Sir Noy.
So big help yan, lalo na medyo matrabaho yung hahawakan niya, yung membership So we can understand that. As we go along, yun na lang talaga ang kailangan nating asikasuhin yan. Kasi yan ang laging issue sa mga chapters na natatanong ko, yung mga kailangan ng mga members, kailangan na bigyan pansin natin. If not, kaya sabi ko nga, pati yung membership remittances, siguro mas maganda tayo na rin na humawa kasi let's face it, no, yung ibang mga chapter officers, hindi lahat pero iba kasi, wala hindi nila inaasikaso yung remittances, and that's what we're having problems with, lalo na siguro kung naasikaso yung mga remittances na yan, baka hindi lang ganun ang budget natin, hindi lang ganun ang financial standing ng organization baka doble pa doon kung naasikaso lang Tsaka at the same time, siyempre, pag hindi mo pinapansin yung member mo, mawawala ng gana yun. Makikita mo na, nag-leave ng group, mga ganun, no? Paliusin natin siguro yun. Andiyan naman yung dalawang dynamic people natin in the persons of Sec Doc Paul Santua tsaka si Sir Noy, no? So, tulong-tulong na lang tayo dyan if there are concerns and the chapter officers is not attending to them. Kaya nang pumasok doon. Okay, so palagay dito, up to the national president for the special awards, no? Pag-iisipan ko pa kung ano yung special awards, pero may mga nabanggit na dyan. Tapos, up to the national...
special award. Hindi pwede wala kang special award.
Ito, nakalagay na nga kay Sir Jim, no? Nakalagay dito.
Yan ay recommendation lang yan
Hindi, pero definitely, I've already taken this into account.
Oh, yeah.
Talaga namang yan Talaga namang deserving yan Cebu chapter for hosting.
Alisin mo na yung mukha ko dyan.
Hindi ko alam bakit napunta dito. Kina-copy-paste ko lang to, NFP. Hindi ko alam bakit napunta dito yung picture mo Siguro Kinapi-paste ko lang yan galing dun sa sa Messenger. Anyway, of course understood na yun yung dalawang chapter Cebu and Legazpi Albay will be getting their special awards for hosting the first, remember, first Visayas and Luzon Regional Conference. And I'm hoping siguro with the help of our very industrious and omnipresent NFP na pwede nating magkaroon ng mga chapters na rin sa Mindanao later on, no? Probably
Sa
revive
press,
natin ang
ano natin itong number 3 mo. Itong number 3 mo, ano yan? LAC. Legazpi Albay chapter yan, LAC.
Oo nga.
Kasi ang LPC ay Laguna. Laguna ang LPC. LAC.
LRT
Ayan,
naman to
tama na.
Region.
Okay na.
Press,
typo
press,
error ni typo error ni NFP Ronel yun. Kinapi-paste ko lang yan eh.
press, nakaligtaan mo.
Ano, sir?
May nakaligtaan ka doon, hindi na hindi mo nadanan. All chapters will be given a certificate of recognition.
O, ito nga pala. Sorry
Actually, press, nasa MOP natin yan na once na may mag-create ka ng chapter na charter, dapat may certificate of recognition talaga sila. So, doon na natin sa natin ibigay lahat.
Okay. So, wait lang para bullet points tayo. So again, sabi niya, all chapters will be given a certificate of recognition. So kasi
press.
Ito bago to NFP, no? Yung all chapters will be given certificate of recognition. Yung last na NatCon ba meron tayo?
Wala, hindi tayo nabigyan yan ng kulang nakaraan na NatCon because actually nasa MOP natin na again once there's a chapter created or formed, dapat bigyan sila ng certificate of recognition.
So
doon na natin bibigay sa NatCon. It's up to you, press. It's up to you kung anong gusto mo. Just a simple certificate lang ba or plaque?
Maganda siguro plaque kasi lasting yun. Kasi alam mo, ang isang merong chapter na ewan ko kung na-share ko na nga yata sa iyo ito na yun nga na siyempre nakikita nila na parang sabi ko naman sa kanila na siyempre yung achievement ng chapter na yun because they worked hard for it. So I think you need to work hard for it. Hindi naman pwede ka ako na pantay-pantay. Otherwise wala nang award yan, di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng lahat ibigyan ng award. So tama lang itong magkaroon tayo ng siguro plaque na to NFP. Kasi chapter yan.
Sige. Plaque. Wala tayong certificate, hindi plaque. Sige. Plaque of recognition. Sige.
So, yan ang natin, no? So, again, sa special awards, tuloy natin to. Cavite for co-hosting yung second NatCon. Ito ngayon, Sir Ronel, total NBOT meeting to. Would like to hindi ko alam kung mali tayo dito or what. No? But I think siguro kaya na natin kinagat yan dahil we lack bodies actually. Kulang tayo ng tao talaga sa NBOT. So it's a good thing na nag-volunteer si Cavite or nakuha natin si Cavite to co-host.
Yes.
Pero siguro sa subsequent events natin, huwag na nating yun sa co-hosting kasi nasisilip na ibang chapter. In fact, isa yan doon sa mga pinagtampungan ng isang chapter na nabanggit.
No, sir. After nito, let's make a bidding kung sinong mukha. Ganun naman yun
Pwedeng ganun. Mag-bid na lang siguro. O kasi yung particular chapter na binabanggit ko kasi siyempre baka gusto rin talaga nilang mag-host. For example, yung Marikina, if you recall, di ba, ng 2022 NFP, gusto rin mag-host niyan. Marikina, actually, sinasabi na nga nila yung mga venue nila doon mas maganda daw dahil makakausap nila yung mayor.
Sige, i-call lang natin yan, i-bid lang natin yan na next na Ito, ginagawa rin yan sa Natcon bago mag-strike.
Oo, para walang silipan kasi nangyayari, nagkasilipan. Tatampo ngayon. Eh, bakit daw, sabi niya, national affair chapter ang humahawak. Sabi ko, mahirap kasing iwasan na sabihin mo na limitado lang yung galaw ng particular host chapter na yun eh.
Sige, nasa pa
Lalo
naman
na
natin
kung
yan. Nasa MOP naman
Oo,
natin yan, sir. Yung bidding ng Natcon, nasa MOP natin yan. Gagawin natin yan sa Natcon.
okay. So, wala na tayong uh, curse. Teka muna, burahin natin to.
Press, itong kwan press ha, itong special award, depende sa iyo yan kung may dadagdag ka dyan. O ano, you can consult maybe past President Alex, you can consult other NBOT. Kung meron silang marirecommend,
Oo.
may sasuggest sa'yo na bigyan ng special award. Nasa sa'yo yan, press.
Sige, ano ko yan, i-bring up ko, no? Probably kay IPP Alex, kung may mare-recommend siya. And of course, kay BP Teen Hearts.
Yes.
And then, sino pa ba? Yung si Sir Noy. No?
O, you can consult.
Actually, Sir Noy.
Even NC people, consult him pwede mo siya i-consult eh. Yung mga,
Kasi
lalo
Sir
na yung
Noy,
matatagal na.
yeah. Tsaka si Sir Noy kasi full of ideas yan eh. So,
Yes.
might be able to help out. Pati si sabi mo nga, matatagal na. Pwede natin tanungin siguro si Jendan. No?
Of course, ganda, no? Lalo na yung may mga bigyan ng special award, for example, sa BFP, pwede ka naman bigyan ng special award sa taga-BFP na ako. For example,
Pa nga pala, no?
for example, Gary
Gary
Lunas,
Lunas.
Andrew Miranda, yung mga ganun.
El Miranda. Sino pa ba? Hindi ko alam yung ibang mga nasa Quezon City. Marami kasi sa Quezon City yung BFP eh. Aside from Gary Lunas and Engineer Miranda, si Marcel Batong yan. Andun yata doon, di ba?
Yes. Anyway, hanggang kwan pa naman, July 31 pa naman deadline. Marami pa maisip ng press.
Sige. Let's add on to that. Tatanong ko na lang sa ibang siguro i-share ko na rin dito yung ginawa ni NFP Ronel, no?
Press?
It's about Yes, sir.
Ako na lang mag-share ng criteria kasi na-update ko lang kanina eh.
Sige, sir. Siguro mas maganda ano mo na rin, i-explain mo na rin yung tabulated na yun.
Oh,
Yan, nag-share na ako.
para may...
Okay, turn.
This is not project. Kwan yun. Proposal yun. Di pwede ipakita yun. Yun. Ito, press. Medyo nag-update lang ng konti. Actually, ang pinakita natin is the major awards lang. Pero yung mga minor awards, actually, mayroon din na criteria eh. Now, okay, press. Nababasa mo na, press. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All are free to comment now. This is not a everybody is free to comment here. For the most outstanding chapter, here are the criteria of service to people, involvement in people program activities, the promotion of people, and the social responsibility. So, nakikita niyo naman yung mga items. So, just look at it and kung may comment kayo for the chapter, for the most outstanding chapter. So service to people, one is a member in good standing. Of course, dapat members are in good standing and provide leadership to an active chapter in good standing, encouraged and participated in efforts to establish the chapter committees and related activities, address the membership committees, in kanyang community involvement, in the terms of fundraising and membership growth. has an exemplary service and commitment, and this individual shall be nominated by of course, by the whole. Now, the chapter president, the nomination for most chapter president shall be nominated by the whole board of trustees or the whole board of trustees ng chapter. But is a profession kasi kung si Doc Santua to, si Didi, ang daming profession niya, no? Of course, kung multiple profession ka, medyo lamang ka ng konti, and siya ba ay dating National Board of Trustees member. Okay, for the involvement on the people program, the question is the president, chairman of some chapter committee or national committee, lagi ba siya nandun sa activity, siya ba ay nagiging resource speaker sa mga technical seminars, or she organize or can help to organize other chapter activities, no? For example, set lang ito, wala naman ito. For example, the chapter president of Makati, pumunta kami ng Aklan and help us revive or reinstate the Aklan chapter. So isang point 'yon. So kung mailagay niya sa report 'yon, plus sa kanya maybe. Then we have the promotion to people. Siya ba ay member or officers din ng other organizations like IIEE, UAP, PIC, ISEP, IHF, etc. And how many members ang madagdag niya, invited niya personally. So for social responsibility, ano ang community service na ginawa niya or pinamunuan niya? Member ba siya ng other civic organization, for example, Rotary Club, Lions Club, etc. Or and then he or she attending the charity events, pwede niya less down. Okay, so you have any discussion dito sa most outstanding chapter? Sec, Sir Noy, BPI Edwin.
Siguro
siguro
may mga
NFP
comment
yung
kayo dyan.
Yes.
I-disseminate na niya.
Actually, agree naman ako
Yes.
agree ako sa criteria. Yung ano ko lang siguro, dapat malaki lang yung points na yung sa PIPO na part. Kasi may mga iba na, yung baka kasi manalo siya dahil may iba siyang qualification na hindi related sa PIPO. Yan na naman yung ano. Pero okay naman yung ano.
Alin dito, Noy? Sige, sabihin mo na, baguhin natin. Alin dito, Noy? Bawasan natin ang social responsibilities?
Actually,
Ano ang gusto mong point
yung iba
dito?
kasi, hindi kasi yung ano man lang, yung sa akin kasi marami naman yung sa PIPO na related.
So,
Yung ano ko
Sir
lang
Noy,
kasi baka may manalo kasi na bawa dahil marami siyang profession or maraming organization, so yun yung makapanalo sa kanya compared sa iba.
okay.
Yun ang siguro, pero marami naman dito yung PIPO na part, so yan ang siguro. Pero okay naman yung ano.
So, Noy, may gusto kang bago sa percentage?
Siguro yung hindi PIPO related yun, maliit lang na part. Para hindi siya, nakita ko marang maliit naman, hindi naman siya maka-significantly
Ang kwan natin dito, Sir Noy, for example, social responsibility, although hindi siya ganun, kung titingnan mo, hindi kwan sa PIPO, pero one of the qualification ng chapter, kailangan meron lagi siyang CSR eh. So, however, kung tingin natin itong social responsibilities medyo mataas by 20%, pwede natin bawasan actually. Then transfer natin di sa iba.
Kasi pwedeng hindi sa PIPO itong 20%, Sir Ronel, ano?
Ito.
Actually,
requirement ng PIPO talaga, lalo sa chapter, na dapat mayroon kang mga social responsibility. Kaya bago ka ma-charter, kailangan may CSR ka diba?
Kung PIPO related, okay naman. Kung PIPO related, no problem, Sir Ronel.
Yeah.
Yung ano ko lang naman yung hindi masyadong PIPO related. Kasi baka makapanalo sa kanya yung hindi PIPO related.
Okay. Dito, what community
pero okay
service
naman.
did he lead related to FIPO.
Related yun. Yan yung siguro importante na mga
Okay na yun, Noy?
points na. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So, kailangan pa natin mag-gawin ng percentage?
Okay naman. Basta people related. Wala problema.
Sige, sir. Any more? Any more comment on the post-study chapter criteria? Sec? Meron ka, Sec?
Sir Noy, tingnan mo yung yung distribution ng points. Okay ka ba diyan? 30, 25, 25 and social
ko lang, yung question ko lang yung sa profession na marami, ilang points ba to? Kasi baka makapanalo sa kanya na
Because
maliit lang ito, Sir Ronel, no? Maliit lang ito, no?
Oo, kasi hindi naman itong business kundi lahat na item na to eh.
Hindi naman major, no?
Oo. Pwede kong ilagay ito sa huli para hindi masyadong kanya. O nga naman, lagay natin sa dulo. Lagay natin sa huli. Butit hindi pa natin nasasubmit.
Ang kulay, NFP, kanina tanong ko, merong chance na isa doon sa mga criteria na yan, kahit isa hindi nakamit, Paano yun? Walang award doon. Walang makakakuha ng award na yun. Parang gano'n.
Definitely may magsasabit ito, sir. Kung hindi siya nagsabit, syempre hindi siya qualified. But doon sa magsasabit, I think siguro everybody interested na magkaroon ng award. Ito kaya nga gusto ko hindi mag-submit sila at hindi lang ang individual na ako lang tumingin but the whole individual titingin ng kanilang submission or yung dokumento na isasabit nila dito. Very important tong Post Chapter President Award eh. Kahit si Press Alex, bibigay ko sa kanya yung bibigay ng chapter for her comment because naging 1.5 year.
Sir Ronel,
naman siya eh.
Sir Ronel,
Yes.
clarification lang.
Yes, sir.
Yung may limit ba tayo na siya sa sa most outstanding or yung highest lang na points na sa lahat na nag-submit?
Highest
Or
point.
may cut-off tayo na for example 50 or kahit 40 siya or na siya yung highest, okay pa rin?
Of course, ang unahin natin because the NBOT will give the grade, di ba? Will give the grade kung ilang percent. Then the highest should be the one who will receive the award, but we will not limit that to one president only. Kung tingin
Okay.
natin,
So for example,
tingin natin
for example, dalawa yung
yes.
dalawa sila, okay.
Dalawa, tatlo.
So for example, dalawa sila more than 50, so dalawa sila for example yung
Yes. Halimbawa, sir,
Okay.
highest itong isa. Highest na itong isa. Then nakita natin, ito hindi naman highest pero may isa siyang sinight na project or very nag-cut sa atin. So we could recommend 1 or 2 or 3 chapter presidents award. Again, whatever they submit will be reviewed by the whole NBOT at ayaw natin na isa o dalawa o tatlong tao lang. And of course, kung ano man sabi nila, I'll give it to kahit yung umalis dito, si NCP Paul, si Press Alex, bibigyan natin. Let's allow them to comment na. Para hindi kagaya nangyari nakaraan for the past 2 convention, no? Or 2 awards na tayo lang pumipili.
Hindi, pero ang tanong ko nga dyan, NFP pati, no? So,
Yes.
item 1, 2, 3, isa? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are all chapter categories, di ba?
Chapter, yes.
Tayo mag-judge na.
Yes.
Tayo mag-judge na.
Yes.
Okay.
Tayo.
So more or less, nasa atin na yan, Sir Noy. Kala ko kasi ang may bibigay natin sa chapter, basically, yung awardees, di ba? Kung sinong gusto nila ma-award nun, di ba? Tama ba ako?
Yes.
Pero
Sila magbibigay sa atin ng dokumento, tapos tayo mag-evaluate.
Pero itong matrix na to, tayo sa national na mag-decide niyan. Tama?
Tayo titingin sa submeta. Itong basis nila, pero tayo titingin, tayo mag-weight, tayo magbibigay ng percentage.
Ah,
For example,
tayo maglalagay ng
dito,
points, sir.
dito sa service to people o si Laguna, maring isa, nagsabit ng report, mari ako bibigyan ko ng 20%, mari ikaw bigyan mo ng 15%, maring iba 10%, then kunin natin yung average. So then, i-weight natin sino ang pinakamataas, should be the one, but will not limit to one lang, sir.
Okay. Understood.
Okay.
So, yan.
Lahat ng
Ito na ang bird's eye view.
ang gusto ko rito kasi sa awards talaga, and thank you kay kay Chairman Edwin for giving this committee, no. Ang gusto ko dito talaga is lahat involved, lahat ibibigay natin kung ano man submit ng chapter. Kasi syempre, kung halimbawa si Noy, definitely syempre kung siya magkakuan yan, hindi naman ito nawawala eh, di ba? Siyempre, ako, being the Visayas Mindanao, chairman, papabura ko yan kahit paano konti. Pero, ang kagandahan dito, lahat tayo titingin ito. Okay.
At least
Next,
hindi bias, sir. Hindi bias.
Oo, siya.
Ah.
Lahat kasi halimbawa, si Noy, sample lang to, hindi naman to kung na talagang mangyayari yung gagawin ni Noy. Si Noy, NOC, binigyan niya ng 30%. Tapos, the other lahat, 10, 5, 7, 6, di ba? Magtataka ka talaga doon, di ba? Isa lang 30%, tapos the rest NBOT is 5, 10, 15 lang. Okay. Can we proceed to the next item, Press?
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Okay. On the next, the most outstanding committee chairman, except na rin to the chapters, yung sasubmit nila or write-ups nila about their committee chairman. So, of course, number one is service to people pa rin, active engagement in the committee. Or state kung may nurturing ba siya ng mga members program, how did they invited for cooperation, how did he encourage participation dun sa mga members and chapter members. Then of course the involvement in people program, very important, no. Chairman nga siya pero active ba siya, nandun ba siya sa every activity ng chapter, so nag-conduct ba siya ng meeting within that committee, or acceptable ba yung kanyang leadership? Okay? Then so on. And so it's also importante dito na every activity niyan documented ba? Kasi maganda dyan dapat, for example, committee chairman ka for ano ba mga committee chairman sa chapter? For membership. O kompleto ba ang list mo, ang membership form mo? Intact ba? Nandyan ba? Di ba? Ang laki. Part of this, of course, is na-issuean ba ng ID ang chapter mo because ikaw ang membership committee. So, isa yun sa mga titingnan natin, sirs. So, I think the rest is hindi ko na i-discuss, is up to you na basahin na lang natin. For the community.
Meron kayong
hello, NFP, kala ko isa-isa nating siniset na ngayon yung decision ng board para sa mga criteria.
Hindi tayo mag-elect kung sino dito, ha? It's up to
the yung mga criteria percentage.
Yes. Percentage are almost the same.
Kala ko siniset na natin ngayon para wala nang mga changes later on.
Yes. Yeah. Do you have comment dito sa Canvas? You have suggestion, comment, or addition dito sa percentage?
Hindi. Bali, as secretary kasi dinudokumento ko na ito na-approve na ng board. itong most outstanding president criteria na-approve na ng board. So wala na mag-change ng
Yes.
ano niyan, percentage later on.
Yes.
Kasi mahirap yung pabago-bago tayo ng percentage.
Yeah, definitely. Kaya that's the purpose of this meeting, sir. And kaya do you have comment pa rito sa percentage? For
Kanina, inapprove ko na sa GC kanina. Actually, yung distribution ng percentages actually is justified. Baka lang ako kayo mga umatin ngayon, may kinitingnan kayo dyan na magiging concern pagka nagbotohan na o namili na ng chapter o yung awardee. Pero sa akin yung distribution na ginawa ni NFP dyan, okay na ako dyan.
Ako rin.
Would you want to?
Okay naman ako dyan.
Would you,
ito medyo minor lang. Dito tayo, tutukan natin yung medyo mabigat na award, no? Ito committee chairman, medyo hindi. Dito tayo sa outstanding chapter president. Ito tutukan natin.
Yan.
So, project impact community and members 40%, medyo mataas. Chapter involvement niya is 70. 25, medyo sumobra ito. Medyo sobra ito sa 100. Anyway, sige. 15, 40, 70. It should be 30. For a total of 100. And kung may qualification or criteria kayo na gustong idagdag, let us know, idagdag natin. We are now on the most outstanding, chapter, this is chapter project, rather, sorry. I don't like blue. Magandang kulay.
Sir Ronel, wala bang specific project? Any project yan?
Yes, any project.
Okay.
Whether it is a technical or CSR, yun naman ang kuha ng people.
Or
CSR
Or income generating, pwede rin,
Yes. Wait, I think the income is here. How much budget was funded of its own? This is by the how much budget was funded by the chapter? Then how much ang kinasat na?
Ang common sa
kasi
mga project nila dyan.
Meron kasing money meron din kasing service So
Okay.
siguro cost benefit or ROI or Kasi
Okay.
pwede ring income, pwede ring service or benefit yung result.
Pero pag outstanding chapter project, pwedeng yung purpose mo, nakatulong ka or naka-generate ka ng income. Tama yun. Ganda yun.
Yes.
So, what's the project?
Siguro yung benefits din. I don't know kung benefits
Pwede ba
or
NFP dyan?
Sir?
Dalawang category sa most outstanding project.
Sir?
Yung in terms of CSR, saka yung isa naman ay fund generating. Parang hiwalay
Pwede,
natin.
sa atin yun. Sa evaluation na natin yun. So, tayo ng NBUT magdi-decide na, ito, okay to sa CSR, ito, okay to sa technical. So, we can award 2 or 3 din.
Dalawa.
Or pwedeng yung dalawa yun, nakuha ng isang chapter. The fund, the technical and the CSR. So, sa project impact sa members and sa community, remember, laging dala natin sa community kasi sa grade natin, kailangan ibalik natin sa community. So, what initiated project, kailan at saan, how many people benefited for the project, baka nagkaroon ka siya kasi, for example, yung ginawa ng national project ito sa Iloilo nakaraan, yung gift giving dun sa mga AITA, nakakuha tayo ng recognition doon, kasama ko si Inoy. May dito yung plaque nun Kasama yung plaque nun. So ito yung pinuntahan na Inoy sa Iloilo, nakaraan, na nagbigay kami na gift given tayo doon. So binigyan tayo ng Department of Education ng Iloilo ng plaque, ng certificate pala.
Sama si Sir Rap.
Si Sir Rap. So, was given by the Department of Education in Region 6, Western Visayas. So, maganda yan. So, may nabigyan ba siya ng recognition and awards no, dun sa kanyang ginawang projects. Malamang kung ma-email natin ito sa chapter ni Kwanza, ikaw na lang mag-instruct para Sec, idadaan ko sa iyo, ikaw mag-instruct kay Jen na mag-email ko sa lahat ng chapter president.
Okay, copy.
Okay, cascade mo na lang yan, Sec, sa CP. They will need time to deliberate on that eh. Kaya as early as possible, ma-cascade na yan.
Cascade na, alam mo, maghabol pa iba ng project para maisama. Okay. Membership growth, wala naman tayong discussion dito ha. This is because depende sa percentage no last year against current year. So wala tayong masyadong discussion sa membership growth. Okay. Ito muna ang unahin natin. Outstanding chapter. Okay. For the people, service to people is 30 points. So, members, ilang members niya na nasa national officers. For example, Taguig, nandito si Noy, and then nandito si Sec, di ba? NOC, nandito si Noy. I don't know si Press kung may chapter to. Baka, may chapter ka ba, Press?
Ako sa South NCR. South NCR ako.
Okay. Or may member ba siya may member ba doon na National BOT ngayon? May member ba siya na National Committee Chair member? Or how many chapter meetings ginawa nila? Nag-GMM ba sila? Ilang technical seminars? Nag-CSR ba sila? Was there a national event hosted by chapter? Of course, for example, yung ginawa ng Cebu, that is national event. Yung BRC, ginawa ng LAC, that is national event, yung LRC. And then ginawa natin ngayon, national convention hosted by Cavite. That's a percentage. Then support to people program is 30%. I think, tingnan nyo lang ha, baka may kailangan tayong baguhin. What are the chapter initiated activities for each chapter? How many benefited? How many member last year and the current member? Tapos promotion to people. And the last column is the how many others. How many benefited from their projects? Ginawan ba ng write-ups? Kamusta naman ang financial statement or report nila kung submitted ba? By the way, wala lang si Tres dito. Sa MOP natin na dapat nagsasubmit ang financial report ang mga chapters. Hindi natin nagagawa 'yon.
Dapat umpisa na yan sa susunod.
Sir Ronel, yung attendance to NatCon and RC, meron ba?
Lagay natin dito sa kaya siya, dito sa support program.
Support to programs.
Attendance in national activity. Activities. BRC, LRC, NatCon. What else? Para maging outstanding chapter ka, yung maging magandang kriteria. O gusto niyo yung pwede ba lagay nito yung nila, yung funding nila? Magkano ang laman ng coffin nila, ng budget nila, magkano?
Remaining balance.
Pwede rin amount, yeah.
Saan
Funds.
natin lalagay? Dito na lang sa others.
Others.
Andiyan ang financial statement report kung na-submit nila as required by record actually ng MOP ito eh. Di maganda to, mahabol nila. Required sige. Tapos, anong kwadyon? Anong sentence natin, Sir Noy?
Sa ano,
Yung
Sir
existing
Ronel?
budget funding nila?
Fund balance siguro. Fund balance.
O financial quad? Ano ba?
Financial health ang
Kasi-
tawag dyan.
Financial health,
Kasi mahirap yung financial health, maraming financial ratios eh. So,
Kaya
Kailangan
hindi tayo
specific
masyadong
siguro.
dyan. Basta health lang, ibig sabihin positive yan. Kasi tayo naman ay service organization, hindi naman tayo corporation na for for income, hindi naman tayo for income eh. Ibig sabihin yung health na for professional organization.
o quadra, sustaining na siya.
Sustaining lang.
kasi
Sustaining.
mahirap i-measure. Paano i-measure yung yung health? Kasi siguro dapat may specific tayo na term siguro para madali ma-measure.
Percentage.
About financially sound.
Yung ganun din eh. Ganun din. Kailangan daw
Ganun
lagyan
din.
ng Gusto niyan lagyan
Actually,
ng percentage.
pwede rin Actually, pwede rin fund to member ratio. Parang ganon. Fund to member ratio, parang ganon ng mga parameter
Pwede
na.
yan. Kung ilan yung member nila,
Oo,
kailan magkano.
Ilang percent?
para lang.
Okay na?
Basta madaling mabigyan ng
hindi
points.
siguro yan kasi halimbawa, napakataas ng isa, hindi naman tayo income generating organization.
Pero ang kagandahan kasi dito,
Organization eh.
ang kagandahan kasi
Yung pondo natin, ginagamit din natin for benefits of members.
ang kagandahan ng dito sa fund member ratio is that malaman mo kung yung member mo ay nagbabayad ng membership fee. Ang dami ka ng member tapos hindi naman nagbabayad, di ba? So mas maganda itong fund to member ratio.
Okay.
Anything? Sir Noy? Who are? Sir Edwin? Sir Art?
Okay naman.
Okay naman.
Sir Art? Sir Edwin, may madagdag kayo? Or you want i-revision?
Okay na yan.
Thank you. Most outstanding member, tingnan natin. Indicate attendance, of course. List of new members kung recruited, not mali itong term ko na recruited, invited. Kasi sa MOP natin, membership are through invitation. Okay? Maaaring naging requan siya. Specific pa natin to, i-take down note natin tong maging resource speaker siya. So 40, 30, 70, 90, 10.
Pwede pala dyan NCP, NEP. Pwede
Ano,
pala
sir?
dyan pag-iwalay natin yung award sa officer saka sa member lang talaga. Kasi
Okay, wait.
Ang nabibigyan lang kasi ng award, president eh. Palagi lang president lang yung ma-award eh.
Pwede
Oo
siya
nga.
maging member. Outstanding chapter officer, sige.
Oh, chapter
Tama?
officer. Yes.
Okay. Outstanding chapter. Saan ang president kanina? Ayan. Outstanding chapter officers.
Kasi sa chapter member, ibig sabihin, nasa ano na yun. Eh kung tayong magiging judge doon,
A, B, C, D.
dapat nakakaalam niya yung chapter officer o chapter president.
Oh, lagyan natin ng criteria from chapter ano.
Chapter ano?
Wait, chapter officers, same. Same. Is he the president of the, is the president, is the officer, is the chapter officers.
BOT lang siguro. Is he the BOT, chapter BOT?
NBOT, yeah. Mamaya, officer lang nga naman, no? Wawa naman yung... okay. Yeah, is good standing. He have encouraged by report. Individual nominated. Okay. Dapat nominated siya no, ng buong board. Former MBOT, profession. Okay.
Pwede siguro supportive to BFP programs. I don't know kung pwede siya. Yung
Supported to BOP, dapat kanyan sir as a whole and not as an individual.
kasi merong nag-attend sa mga activities na invited. For example, sa mga ano yan, Fire Prevention Week, nandun siya.
But of
Or
course,
sa-
that should be chapter activity, not an individual. As a group dapat. Is the chapter officers, BOT pala. Ay, pa-check, pakuan ng mga kuan yung mga wordings baka may mali. Is the people, is the office and BOT always
may
present.
nakandak na sir, speaker
Na.
siya. Ganun.
Ito sir, engaged as
Okay. Resource speaker pala, meron.
Okay. Is he an officers of other member, blah, blah, blah. What people did he lead? Okay. Almost same as chapter president, no? Pero this time kasi standing chapter BOT.
NFP.
Yes, sir.
Itong under involvement, ito
Okay.
is the chapter BOT. Pakialis na lang yung OB. Is the chapter BOT.
Is the chapter BOT a member? Okay, kasi re-sentence tayo kanina. Or rephrase, is the BOT always present activity? Okay, thank you. So what else? Meron pa, sirs? If none, press, I move for the approval of this accomplishment and service award criteria.
Any second?
For the major awards, major awards day.
Second motion.
Ano yung nasa ibaba mo? FLS, Professional Awards.
Ito na yung minor awards lang to, sir. I'm asking for the approval nitong major awards muna.
Any motion?
Si ano na, si
Any motion?
NF Pina yung nag-motion. Si ano yung nag-second? Si Chair Edwin.
Any motion?
Yes. Na-seconded na.
Seconded na, okay.
Seconded na.
Any discussion? Amendment to the motion? Any objection to the motion? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you. Thank you, NBOTs and Press. Pasadaan lang natin itong minor awards, no? People Outstanding Fire and Life Safety Professional Awards. We identify the contracting, the education, government, community, entrepreneur, consultancy, awards for research and innovation. So, dito muna tayo. Meron ba kayong gustong tanggalin dito, i-revise or idagdag? Siguro iba-ibahin ko kulay para konting doon muna ako sa number and category. Again, meron ba tayong gustong idagdag, i-revise or alisin? Ito actually, kahit sa PSME, ganito rin ang kanilang call. Kahit sa ibang professional organization, ganito rin mga categories nila eh.
Yan din yung dati natin NFA.
Yes, sir.
Yan
Yes, sir.
din
Yes,
yung
sir.
dati
Correct.
natin. So,
Sa,
ganyan din yung dati.
Sir Ronel, meron ba sa consultancy? Parang wala akong nakita.
Consultancy meron. Wait,
Meron.
innovation.
Ito pala.
Meron,
Okay,
meron.
ito pala. Okay.
Sa akin, okay na yan. NFP Ronel.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Chair. Anybody? How about others?
Okay for me.
Then, saka natin i-discuss in detail yung isa-isa, no? For contracting, must have exhibited this action, the promotion, the core and value, behavior. We have ito muna, criteria, tapos yung percentage. Living and sharing the people values, 25%. Exemplary performance on duty, 25%. Contribution and advancement of the profession is 25%. And project accomplishment that is notable is 25%. So divided equally. So 4 criteria divided by all our, I mean, lahat ay 25%. So it was distributed equally. So,
Sir Ronel?
yes.
Sir Ronel, yung
yes.
contracting related dito sa fire protection?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Kung contractor ka ng electrical at civil, syempre, iba yon. So, okay sa inyo na equally divided na lang yung percentage? Hearing
Okay.
na, di okay. So again, for living and sharing the people values, PASAP exhibited his action for the promotion demonstration of people core values, the behavior and works, of course, have received an awards as recognition for exemplary performance. Maybe wala, maybe mayroon. Kung wala naman, hindi naman automatic na disqualified siya or hindi siya mananalo. Have evident program done to show his initiative in advancement of the profession, or have an evident program done to show his initiative in the advancement of FLS practice. And notable project done in contractor worth emulating by others. So for contracting, any discussion or revision, addition? If not, I proceed to education. Same, almost the same na lahat ng lahat ng living first row is the same. Then same, have an evident initiative as an evident program done to show the initiative in the advancement of FLS practice or profession. Then notable project done in educations. So dito sa educations, actually, siyempre si Doc hindi na pwede yan. Si Sir Noy, professor din. Si Doc Santua, professor. Sa chapter, I think Rodel Pangholan is a professor in Emilio Aguinaldo in Mapua. Doc na si Tony Morales is a professor in my school, WIT. Si Marty ng Aklan, mataas na pala position niya sa school. Yun yung mga current professor. Si Sir Kwan, si Francis Maanyo pala. Kwan pala yun, professor pala sa Inverga sa Quezon, and etc. Marami tayong awards for educations. Hopefully, makapag-submit sila, and will not limit siguro ito into one member lang or one officers lang itong education. However, I need to get your comment in this category. Anyway, kung wala naman akong concern dito dahil this is a minor awards only. Okay. Papalit lang talaga sa category.
Tsaka sila magno-nominate yan, di ba, NFP? Tayo lang ang magiging ano?
Yes. Chapter magno-nominate. Ito kung titingnan nyo, paulit-ulit lang, nagkakaiba lang, depende sa category.
Wala nang mga concern doon sa bagay, sabi nga ni NFP, minor awards to. So, yung malaking part ng deliberation dito will be through the chapters, hindi sa atin, no? So, they just have to present yung kanilang nominees sa mga awards na yan. Okay, baka may mga comment pa kayo dito sa presentation.
Lahat galing sa
presentation
EMEA.
Ha?
Ano, Sek?
Hindi. Para akong galing sa EMEA yung ano.
EMEA ako eh.
Nakopya.
EMEA ako,
predominantly mechanical engineer talaga yung people eh.
Okay. By the way, ito PT kwan na to. By the way, starting now, Sec.
Oh.
Itong logo o title head ng PIPO, nasa MOP natin yan na dapat naka-red at Verdana font. Kaya ito yung official talaga na font ng ating letterhead.
Yes, walang alteration dyan, Sek. Baka may mapansin ka na alteration sa kanyang logo. Hindi natin pwedeng payagan yun. No? In fact, yung alteration na ginawa ng Cavite chapter doon sa initial na logo nilabas nila sa NATCON, sinita natin yun. So, yan ang official na logo. And isa-share ko sa iyo yung mga old documents ko para masubaybayan mo yung talagang naging para doon tayo sa katama.
Press, I also move for the approval of the minor awards for NATCON.
The motion to approve the minor awards is done by INFP Ronel Baez. Are there any second?
Second the motion.
Okay, this has been seconded by National Secretary Paul Santua. Is there any discussion on the motion? Can I hear any amendment from the board regarding the minor awards as moved by our NFP Ronel Baez? Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is thereby approved.
Press, I will share now the letter no for the comment of everyone.
Sige,
Do you
sir.
see the letter? Nakita niyo na sir yung letter?
Nakikita niyo ba?
Yes.
Ako, mali ko lang dyan. Mali yung date eh. Pero hindi
Tama
na
naman
mali. Hindi na ngayon. Tama na ngayon. Kanina mali. So, tingnan niyo na lang kung ano yung nilalaman.
By the
It's
way,
actually more of...
By the way,
Yes,
for
sir.
the information of everybody, especially Sec, no, kasi ikaw ang lagi may kwan sa correspondent. So, ito na yung tamang designation na natin ngayon. Kung may mali diyan, like for example, ikaw Sec, kung gusto mo dagdag yung iba mong profession, it's up to you, no? So, if
yan
we
ang magiging official eh.
oh, if
Ano ba ang
gusto natin,
ano ba
Kung
gusto
gusto-
mong title? Civil engineer lang o electrical o dahil mo kasi titulo eh.
but override lahat ng
Like Paul.
PhD yan. PhD mataas sa'yo, di ba, sir? It's up to you, sir. Anyway, sige. Okay. Currently, itong dalawa na to is National Board of Trustees pa kami kasi kami ni NCP po hanggang December 2024. Kaya nandiyan ang pangalan namin. But of course, sa baba niya, ilalagay natin yung mga past president. So, andyan si immediate past president Alex. Ito kasing dalawang designation ng NCP at NFP kasi nasa MOP natin to. So, hindi mababago to hanggat na may PIPO, yan ang designation nila, namin, unless na i-revise natin yung CBL or yung MOP. Okay. Now, again, kung titingnan yung letterhead, ito, naka-bendara, berdana, which is nasa MOP natin at nakakulay red. Okay? That is the official. Now, ito, next year, kasi balak natin palit ng office next year, so papalitan na lang natin ito by next year. Of course, may corresponding gagawin dyan for the renewal of business permit. Kailangan magpalit tayo ng office. No? Kung kasi yan ang napag-usapan nakaraan. Now, okay, to read the letters, of course, this is addressed to all chapter presidents. And this is from, of course, the National Awards and Recognition Committee. And the subject is Awards and Recognition Night. Nabasa na rin naman, napasadahan na rin naman to ni Prest Aris. So we wish to inform you that the People National Awards Committee will be given in awards to the serving members during the second, ano ba ito yun? Biennial? Ano yun, Press?
Biennial.
Biennial.
Biennial. Biennial.
Kaya
Biennial?
every two. BIE, Yan.
Okay.
Yeah, tama.
Who have done significant outstanding accomplishment service rendered in the different appointee which uplifted the image of our organization in different category as followed. Dito nagdagdag tayo ng most outstanding chapter in BOTs. Diba?
Yes.
BOTs pala eh. Board of Trustees. Okay? Tara? Okay na mga sirs?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. And of course, ito walang nagbago. With this, we would like to request the chapter to submit all the pertinent documents over chosen blah 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 related to the individual awards mentioned to the, of course, submit to the regional trustee for endorsement to the national not later than July 31. Attached is the criteria. Okay? So, any dito? Any comment? Any dagdag? Any revision? Kasi after dito, ibibigay ko to kay SEC para utusan si Jen na ipadala ito sa ating chapter president.
Baka may mga comment pa kayo dyan. Sa akin, dumaan na kanina yan. So, if you want to add on or remove something, kasi pag pinadala na natin sa chapter president, yan ang magiging guide nila. There will be an attachment, yung criterion din discuss natin kanina. So, pag pinadala yan, kasama yung attachment na yun. And,
Saan ba i-submit, Sir Ronel? Saan ba i-submit sa email or sa...
Email, this will be emailed to all chapter president.
Email.
Hindi, yung kanilang,
Email
yung kanilang
para-
documents.
Ang document nila is through the regional trustee.
True.
Andito, Sir Noy.
So sa email namin, parang gano'n
Yes,
na...
yes.
Or...
And the national trustee will endorse it to the national BOTs and the National Awards and Recognition Committee.
So dito lang yan sa GC natin, sa board, ano? Kung may mga dito i-submit, ano? Or may separate GC ba or...
Kwanto sir, puro email to. Email talaga to.
Email.
Yes.
Maraming dokumento yan, email.
Letter kasi yan, kaya kailangan email diyan, hindi pwede sa GC yan. So, pwede tayo
yung question ko ba, pag may na-email sila sa akin, kanino i-forward yung yung dito sa NBOT ba na GC or...
No, email Sir Noy. SEC kung kaya mo pa, I don't know kung buhay pa yung
or sa kay SEC na email or...
No,
sa akin na lang muna email.
Sa PIPO. No, sa PIPO national email dapat.
Itong bago kong ginawang email para sa Zoom, PIPO yung pangalan niyan.
Anong email? Anong email address?
Yan yung piponational@gmail.com.
Yan, pwede na doon.
Okay, doon na. Sige. Okay.
Yung nilagay ko kanina sa chat.
Okay.
Yung email address na yun. Nasa chat pa yan ngayon.
So yun din ang Doc, yun din ang email, ang password, yung nilagay mo doon.
Hindi yata. Kasi
sige, i-call mo lang sa amin, kailangan may access lahat ng NBOT doon eh. Okay?
Iano ko na lang sa GC.
So, Press, I move for the approval itong National Awards and Recognition Committee letter to the chapter president.
Second
okay, there is a move for the approval of the letter to be addressed to the chapter presidents regarding the national awards for the second national convention on September. Is there any second?
Second the motion.
Is there any second? It's been moved and seconded by our National Secretary. Is there any discussion? Amendment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion has been approved.
Okay, Press, may I ask if the Secretary has the complete list ng chapter president, including the contact details?
Right now, inaano pa namin sa membership committee with the chair Nonoy Maranyon, siya yung chair. Member naman ako doon. So pagka may nakita akong contact pero hindi pa kompleto eh. Kasi hindi
Okay.
lahat nag-reply sa akin yung chapter president.
Okay. As the new, no, as the new secretary, national secretary now, Doc, you should have the list now of all chapter president, including contact details. Kasi we need to release this letter as promised to them by tomorrow. If none, ibigay ko sa iyo yung, kasi kunting president pa lang na naman napalitan, isend ko sa iyo yung file ko with a complete chapter president, email address and contact number.
Copy.
Okay. Okay. With that, press, I'm good. Last from me is that may other chairmanship for the committee now, which is the NOMCOM and election. May I request another meeting by Thursday at 7 p.m.
Okay, first of all, thank you very much, NFP Ronel, and we will be having another meeting to discuss yung NOMCOM output naman regarding the elections on in the upcoming national convention. So I think this will also be an output coming from the chapters as well as yung awardees na yan. So pag-usapan muna natin yung paano natin i-execute yung selection dun sa mga papasok na NBOT, because I would like to be very receptive to that kasi ano yan 60%, 70% ng BOT natin mawawala next year. So kailangan natin na makakuha ng yun nga, I already said it earlier, dynamic group, no, na pwede nating, because what I envision the organization next year is to since nandiyan na yung mga chapters na walang pagod na itinatag ni NFP, kailangan natin i-cultivate kasi baka yung ibang mga chapters nga hindi na active. So kasama doon sa efforts natin yan, I think we need to have a very dynamic National Board of Directors, National Board of Trustees. Okay na ako doon na NFP. So
Okay. So let's have a meeting on Thursday, same time. Siguro prior to the NATCON meeting, kasi ang NATCON meeting natin, di ba, Thursday. Let's discuss election, siguro mga 30 minutes lang yan.
do you want the rest of the NATCON to be there? Actually, separate meeting yan, no?
Well, the NATCON should be there also on the NATCON meeting. The NBOT should be also in the NATCON meeting. It's okay lang kung magkasama.
So, Sec Doc, alam mo na, no, Webes, alam mo naman yung regular NATCON meeting natin, nandiyan naman si NATCON chairman for his information, it's every Thursday. So what we will do, we convene 30 minutes before the NATCON meeting, which is basically, anong oras natin gustong gawin? As Chairman Edwin, anong oras mo gustong gawin yung meeting sa Huwebes? 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock? Chairman Edwin?
Yes, siguro gawin nating 8 o'clock kasi maghanap. Sir Noy,
Okay, so we do,
Sir Noy, malakas ba ang
magkano ka?
kanya? Sir Noy, malakas ba
Hello, yes.
tulod ang signal?
Yes. Okay naman.
Okay. 8 o'clock na lang siguro.
Sige.
Kasama kami ni Sir Noy sa Bacolod sa Webes.
Okay, press, I suggest if the NATCON meeting will start at 8 o'clock, let's start at 7 o'clock for the election matters.
Yes, 7 o'clock yung election.
7 o'clock na kasi alam ko parang mahaba yun na NFP, hindi ka siguro kasi 30 minutes dyan eh. So, natin 7 yung...
7 to 8.
1 hour.
Yung election.
And then 8 o'clock yung NATCON.
7 to 8.
Sige. Okay, sir. Okay, press.
Okay na.
Press. I move for the adjournment of this meeting, press.
Okay. Second motion.
Exactly 10 o'clock eh.
Okay na.
Okay.
Adjourn na tayo. Wala na munang other matters.
Yeah, sir.
Ano, talaga.
Re-
So,
re- let's, let's respect the time. It's already 10 o'clock.
picture taking muna. Kasi this is actually parang ceremonial meeting to with the NSEC Doc Paulson 2 eh.
Yes.
Picture muna.
Wala na, hindi na lumutang si inaanak ha.
Okay, bukas na lang yung camera.
Inaanak.
Check, pwede ba
Aking damit.
picture?
NFP, pwede pa kay unshare mo na para yung mga picture pumunta sa
okay.
gitna.
Okay.
Okay, answer muna, oh. Dek,
Nagpapatulog ng baka, ay ng bata.
si Direk Art mukhang tulog na yata eh. O nagpapatulog.
Nagpapatulog.
Anak.
Oo.
Ayun, no?
Kanina pa ako, nakikinig lang ako.
Sige, sir. Oh, and check. And ikaw
Okay.
taga-kuha ng picture, ha?
Check, picture.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bakit nawala?
Pakishare na lang sa GC na. Pakishare na lang sa GC, Sek.
Sandali,
NBOT,
Nag-ano?
ano. Ha? Wala na?
Okay na. Okay na, Sek.
Pakishare na lang sa GC. Saka sa ano.
Sir Edwin. Sir
Okay.
Art. Okay, 1.
Okay.
1, 2. Pakiano mo na yung mga camera.
Bukas na lahat, bukas na.
Ano eh. Asan na? Na ano yung ano ko eh. Dali, nagluto ko yung ano ko.
Okay na?
Ayan, okay.
Yun na.
Okay na.
Okay.
Okay.
Pakishare na lang doon sa GC na ano, NBOT.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, thank you for coming, everybody. Maraming salamat. Thank you for the support. We will see you on Thursday. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.